Imperial College wants you to stay safe online, so we've made this short video to help you. Keeping your computer and smartphone up to date is one of the most important things you can do to protect yourself against cyber threats and attacks. Updates are created to make computers and phones safer by fixing any security gaps that are found in software to stop hackers from getting in. If you don't agree to update your phone or computer when prompted, you leave these security gaps open, much like leaving a window open in your home. So always set updates for your phone and computer to automatic, and remember to reboot your phone or computer to complete the installation of updates. Remember, if you get a message telling you to reboot, please do so as soon as possible. Don't delay, as you are vulnerable to cyber attack. For more tips on staying safe online, visit the Be Secure website.